Today we will study about the kinds of adjective. Okay. In last video we studied about the adjective. Now today we will learn how many kinds of adjective. Kinds of adjective. Okay. So the first kind of adjective is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Okay, what is the adjective of quality? So we can say the adjective which denotes size, color, form, variation, of a noun. Variation of a noun called adjective of quality. For example, Raman is a tall man. Raman is a tall man. Okay. Second, Sasi is a beautiful girl. Okay. She has a he is a foolish boy. We can see in the above examples tall, beautiful and foolish. These all adjective denotes about a noun. Here tall denote a man. It is telling about the quality of a man. Means size. The man is tall. So it is an adjective of quality. In the second example, here girl is a noun. And the adjective beautiful is telling about the quality of the girl, that she is beautiful. So it is the adjective of quality. In the third example, boy is a noun. And foolish is an adjective which denotes about a boy, that the boy is foolish. Okay, so it is the adjective of quality. Let's study about the second adjective. Okay, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity means मात्रा और परिमाणवाचक विशेषण. Adjective of quantity. In Hindi we can say that it is the adjective of quantity in Hindi मात्रावाचक और परिमाणवाचक विशेषण. And what is an adjective or adjective of quantity? So the adjective which tells the quantity or measurement of a noun or pronoun, of a noun. It is called the adjective of quantity. For example, Manish has enough money. Okay. For example, he earned a lot of money or wealth. Okay. Another example, there is little water in the pond. In the whole examples, we can say that enough, a lot of, little. These all adjective denotes or tells us about the quantity of money, quantity of wealth, and the quantity of water in the pond. Okay, means enough is an adjective which is telling about the quantity of money, how much quantity of money Manish has. So Manish has enough money, so the quantity of money is enough, the quantity of wealth is a lot of, and the quantity of water little in the pond. So we can say it, these all example is the example of adjective of quantity. Okay, let's read about the number third adjective of number. Adjective of number. Adjective of number. What is an adjective of number? The adjectives which tells the number or order of a noun called adjective of number. Okay, let's see adjective of number. There are three boys in the class. Okay, I stood second in the competition. Okay, in both examples we can see that 3 and second. So here 3 is denotes about the number of the boys and second is denotes the order of the pronoun, which order it stood in the competition, second. Okay, I stood second in the competition. Okay, and here there are 3 boys, the number of boys are 3 who are in the class. Okay, there are 2 types of adjective of number. Let's see how many types of adjective of number. Adjective of number. There are 2 types of adjective of number. Number first, definite adjective of number. And the second one is indefinite adjective of number. Indefinite adjective of number. Okay, indefinite adjective of number. There are 2 parts of definite adjective of number. Number first, ordinal number, and second one is cardinal number. Let's see what is the adjective, definite adjective of number and indefinite adjective of number. Okay, number first, definite adjective of number. Of number. Okay, let's see the adjectives. Which denotes a certain number or order of a person or thing. Person or thing, called definite adjective of number. For example, I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. Second example, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. Of India. In both example we can see here 2 is an adjective which denotes a certain number of the noun, and the second, the adjective first, it denotes a certain order of a noun. Okay, so we can say that it is the definite adjective of a number. Okay, now we will see what is the ordinal or cardinal number of a adjective. What is an ordinal number or cardinal number? Okay, ordinal number. Means the adjective which denotes a certain order of a noun, certain order of a person or thing, called ordinal number. Okay, for example, who will be the next PM? Who will be the next PM of India? Okay, adjective is the third topic, in parts of speech. So here the adjective next and the adjective third, the both adjective denotes a certain order of a person or thing. Here it denotes a noun, and third it denotes a noun, means adjective. So we can say it is the ordinal number, adjective of ordinal number. Okay, what is the cardinal number? Cardinal number. Okay, the adjective which denotes a certain number of a person or noun, a certain number of a noun, called cardinal number. For example, she bought 2 pens. 2 pen. Okay, they are 4 people. In both example we can see the adjective 2 and the 4 is a cardinal number because the both adjective denotes a certain number of a noun. 2 is a certain number which denotes a pen, 4 is a certain number of people. So we can say it is the adjective of cardinal number. Okay, let's see the last topic. What is the indefinite adjective of a number? Indefinite adjective of a number. Adjective of a number. Okay, the adjective which denotes uncertain number of a uncertain number or order of a noun or pronoun called indefinite adjective of a number. For example, some books are torn. Okay, for example, many students participated in the program. Most boys are gentle. In all examples we can see that some books, many, most, these all adjective denotes an uncertain number of a noun, number or order of a noun. Here it not denotes a certain number of books, many doesn't denote a number of students, certain number of students. Here most doesn't denote the number of boys. So we can say it is the adjective of indefinite number, means indefinite adjective of number. Okay, that's all. The rest we will learn in the next video. Okay, but don't forget to subscribe our channel, share it more and more. Thanks.